Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your ChatGPT conversations using export and import detailed guides. To restore your ChatGPT conversations, you first need to open the ChatGPT application or website. Log into your account with your credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the settings menu, which is usually found in your profile options. Look for the option labeled Export Data. Click on this option to begin exporting your conversations. Follow the prompts to initiate the export process. You may receive an email confirmation once your data export is complete. Check your email for the download link to your exported conversations. Download the file to a secure location on your device. Next, return to the ChatGPT application or website. Navigate back to the settings menu. This time, look for the option labeled Import Data. Click on the Import Data option. You will be prompted to select the exported file from your device. Choose the file you downloaded earlier. Confirm that you want to import this file into your ChatGPT account. Wait for the import process to complete, as this may take a few moments. Once the process is finished, you will receive a notification indicating the import is successful. Now, check your conversation history to verify that your old chats have been restored. Feel free to explore your restored conversations and continue your discussions where you left off. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.